important is the win condition of your deck? Some would say it's the only thing. Well, for this deck, that's literally all it is. The whole deck is just the win con. This deck might be a meme, but that doesn't mean it can't win. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. Varragoth Bloodsky Sire is the commander for this glass cannon deck. Varragoth Bloodsky Sire is a 3-mana, 2 generic, 1 black, 2/3 legendary creature demon rogue that has Death Touch and a boast ability that says, Boast. 1 generic, 1 black. Target player searches their library for a card, then shuffles their library and puts that card on top of it. Activate this ability only if this creature attacked this turn, and only once each turn. This commander is the only reason this deck can function. I'll go ahead and dive into the other cards before covering how the deck wins. Ad Nauseam, Sickening Dreams, and Feast of Sanity. The card we are always going to search with Varragoth's ability is Ad Nauseam. This gives us a perfect curve of turn 3 commander to turn 4 attack and stack Ad Nauseam. Turn 5, just before our turn 6, we cast Ad Nauseam and get the other cards of the combo as well as some cards to discard, usually 30 or more depending on life totals. Sickening Dreams is how we are going to deal the damage to win the game. Sickening Dreams lets us discard X cards as an additional cost, then it deals X damage to each creature and each player. Now, this should kill us as well, ending the game in a draw, but our last card is here to hopefully remedy that. Feast of Sanity is a 4-mana, 3 generic, 1 black enchantment that says whenever you discard a card, Feast of Sanity deals 1 damage to any target and you gain 1 life. Since Sickening Dreams says as an additional cost, that means before the Sickening Dreams damage happens, the Feast of Sanity damage will happen, boosting us out of the zone for Sickening Dreams to give us nightmares. Now, Ad Nauseam will get us both cards into our hand and we will lose 6 life, but Feast of Sanity will gain us however many cards we discard. The sweet spot is discarding 30 cards. That will deal 30 damage from Feast, which will be 10 to each opponent. Then the 30 damage from Sickening Dreams will take them out for good, but we can always discard more if we need to. The other 96 cards in the deck, all swamps. Draw however many cards you want, but as long as you have both cards in your hand and enough lands to discard, this deck wins 100% of the time. No interaction, no board wipes, no ramp. Now, for the downsides. This deck is the living, breathing embodiment of a glass cannon. If your commander gets removed, done. If your Naws gets countered, done. Sickening Dreams gets countered or discarded, done. Everything needs to go in your favor for this deck to work, but when it does, it'll blow your opponents away the first time you do it. After that, it's kind of expected. Enjoy the meme when you pull it off, tuck it away for another unsuspecting play group, and move on. Now, for price. Unfortunately, this deck is slightly over $20. Why is that, you ask? Well, Ad Nauseam has only had 2 printings, is a very popular card, and is where the entire budget for this deck is. Ad Nauseam by itself is $21.99, according to Card Kingdom pricing. So if you just want to proxy that, I completely understand. The rest of the deck is nothing. So if you've been interested in just something you can have fun with, I can't recommend this deck enough. If you know of any meme decks you would like to see featured on the channel, or a commander you would like to see built on a budget, comment below and let me know. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's a great free way to help the channel, and I appreciate it greatly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.